Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our third one. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is 18 rupees. Find the missing frequency F. So here daily pocket allowances they are given in the rupees. Then number of children are also they are given. Interval they are given. We have to find the what? Mid values, that is middle values. Let's find what is the mean value. So the formula of mean will be, so here 11, 13 like that they are given. We can go with the deviation method or normal method. So we'll go with the deviation method. So mean will be equal to assumed mean plus summation of deviation value with the Fi product of summation of product of deviation with the frequency divided by summation of frequency values. So this is the mean. So they are given that mean pocket that will be 18 rupees. So mean value they are given as 18 rupees. So what is the deviation value? The deviation values will be fluctuating values with the assumed mean. So from the mean value, what is the difference? So xi minus a. So this is the deviation value. So xi minus a. Xi is nothing but the middle values. We are going to calculate average of each interval. So that is the xi. So I is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. How many intervals are there? Like that. So xi is nothing but lower limit plus upper limit by 2, average of, that is the middle value for both all the intervals. So this is the formula. Let's move on to the actual values. That is, let's move on frequencies and tabular column. So let's write these values as, so what is the interval? Daily pocket allowance in the rupees. They are given in the rupees. So that one will be 11, 13. First interval, what is the frequency? Number of children. This is Fi. So middle values we will take it as xi, and this one is deviation value di will be equal to xi minus a assumed mean. Then here product of Fi di. So 11, 13, then 13, 15. Then what is that? 15, 17. Then these are the exclusive class intervals. So why? Because upper limit and lower limits for the two successive intervals will be equal. So 17, 19. Then 19. What is the difference here? So here we have written all the class intervals. Now we have to write the what is the number of children. For 11 and 13, how many children are there? 7 children are there. So 7. Next one, 13 to 15, number of children, daily pocket rupees 6. Then 15 to 17, 9. Then 13. Then yes, we have to find the frequency. Then 21, 23 is 5. Then 4. So what is the summation of Fi? So if you add all these values, summation of Fi is nothing but add all the values. So 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 13 will be 9 plus 13. We will get 22. 22 plus 9. 22 plus 9 will be 31. 31 plus 13. 44 plus F. So what is this? 44 plus F. Then what is the middle values? So middle values, as I told here, average of lower limit and upper limits. 11 plus 13 by 2. So from this interval we have to write 11 plus 13 by 2. What is that? 11 plus 13 will be 24 by 2. We will get 12. So this is the middle value, like the 13 plus 15 by 2. So 13 plus 15 by 2 is 28 by 2. We will get 14. Then 15 plus 17. So 15 plus 17 is nothing but 32 by 2. We will get 16. Then like that, what is the values here? 16, but 17 plus 19, 30. What we will get? 36 by 2. We will get 18. Then one more thing. So 40, 19 plus 21 will be 40 by 2. We will get 20. Then here 44. So 44 by 2 will be equal to 22. Then this one 48, we will get 48 by 2, 2 2s are, then 2 4s are. These are the middle values. Then what is the, let's going to consider assumed mean. Let's going to take assumed mean as any value here. So let's going to take assumed mean from above 3 values leave and down below 3 values leave. Let's going to consider middle value, that is let's going to take a assumed value as 18. So for this deviation value 12 minus 18 will be equal to, what is that? 12 minus 18 will be equal to minus 6. Then, so xi is nothing but middle values. Intervals we cannot to calculate. For that we need to calculate middle values. 14 minus 18. 14 minus 18. From these values we are calculating. 18 minus 4. Then 16 minus 18. Minus 2. Then 18 minus 18. We will get 0. Then 20 minus 18, we will get 2. So if you see, means the deviation values will be successively increasing from the left to right. So like that you need to. So 22 minus 18 will be equal to 4. Then 24 minus 18 will be equal to, what is that? 6. So like this we need to find it. So let's going to multiply all the values. So how to multiply here is, let's multiply these values with the deviation. So minus 6 into f value, what is that? 7. So we will get minus 42. Minus 4 into 6, minus 24. Then 9 into minus 2, what we will get? Minus 18. Then 0 into 13. Frequency values we are multiplying with the deviation values. 0. Then f into 2, 2f. Then 4 into 5, 20. Then 6 into 4, 24. So let's going to add all these values. What we will get it here as, so we will get the value of, what is that? Let's going to add all these values. Summation of fi di. So this value will be summation of fi di will be equal to minus, summation of fi di will be equal to minus 42, minus 24, minus 18, plus 0, plus 2f, plus 20, plus 24. So if you add all 20 plus 24, 44, 44, minus, you will get, so minus 42, addition of all 42 plus 24 plus 18. We need to give the minus 84. Minus 84 plus 44 plus 2f. What we will get? So we will get the 2f minus 40. 2f minus 40. So this is the value what we need to find it. Now we already know that what is the assumed mean. So assumed mean is 18, but they are given that, so average, that is x bar will be equal to, what is that? X bar will be equal to assumed mean means summation of fi di by summation of fi, that they are given as 18. So assumed mean we got it 18 plus 2f minus 40 by this one as it is f plus 44, summation of fi, that will be equal to 18. So this will going to cancel here. So 18 will be going to cancel, that is 2f minus 40 by f plus 44 will be equal to 18 minus 18, it will come it as 0. Now let's find it, this 2f minus 40 will be equal to, this one will be f plus 44, 0 into f plus 44, that will be equal to 0. That means 2f minus 40 will be equal to 0, then 2f will be equal to 40, then f will be equal to 40 by 2, 2 1s are, then 2 20s are. So what is the frequency? 20. So what is the frequency finally? That is 20. Missing frequency f is equals to 20. Like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please try to share with your friends.